In this video we're going to show you how to remove the display monitor from Cadillac 2016 XT5. The tools that you need is this 7mm socket plus these dashboard removal tools. We already made everything loose. This is just for the demonstration only, and also we already removed the glove box, which you don't need to remove it. We remove it for a different purpose, so you don't need to take the glove box out, or this panel down here. These are all loose, so you just have to, the pieces that you need to remove would be this panel over here, and on the top you need this part of a dashboard, a speaker cover, and the air conditioning vent. That's all you need to remove. You do not need to remove the glove box or this panel. So the first step, you just remove this panel around the monitor, and disconnect the connector. In the next step, we pop up the grill for the speaker. And by the way, these clips are very tight. You have to really force it to get it out. And then there are two 7mm bolts underneath, which you need to remove it in order to lift the dashboard. Now we got those two screws out. Now we need to pop up the panel above the AC vent. You don't need to remove it completely. We just remove all of these clips, as you can see, and just lift it up there, and then we can remove the AC vent. And there are two more 7mm bolts for the air conditioning vent, which you need to remove, one on the passenger side and one all the way to the driver's side, and then you can remove the AC vent. Now we can remove all the screws for the dashboard. These are the location of the screws, and one all the way on the side of the dashboard, and these are the screws. And then there are two on the top also. Once we get all these screws out, and then we can lift the dashboard up. Now to unmount the display, you need to remove 4 screws, also 7mm, 2 on the side, the passenger, and then 2 on the driver's side. And then you need to lift up the dashboard, the one that we removed already, all the screws. You don't need to remove it completely, you just lift it up all the way up. Maybe 2 people, one person, they can help you to lift the dashboard upward, and then we can dismount the display. And here you go. So these are what the location of the clips are. So you have to pull the monitor really hard toward yourself and slide it down, then it comes out. So if you need any repair for the monitor, the touch screen, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.